A zip file will be downloaded. When the download will be completed, you will get a zip file like this. Unzip it. For the zip password, please watch the full video and find from video. Remember, the password will be visible only for 2 seconds. So, do not skip or fast forward the video. After unzip, just install the software as normal installation. The installation has been done. Let's open the application. Whoa! It is asking activation key. No worries, just subscribe the channel, hit the like button and take a screenshot. Then send me the screenshot including the activation code in text format, your name and country. As an appreciation, all Algorithm subscribers will get 100 days free activation key. Once you out the activation key in the box, just click on Activate Now button. Our application is open now. You will see a simple and useful interface of WS Center. Let's explore the top bar first. The world icon represents accounts. You can quickly view your accounts here. The Accounts button allows you to add, delete, and load accounts. Next to the Accounts button is Settings. From here, you can change browsers, update Chrome driver and Edge driver, clear sessions, profile cache, and clear bot cache. You can also check your license validity and deactivate the license from the About License button. Moving to the left panel, there are 3 menus. First menu is Contact Center. Here, you can send bulk messages to multiple contacts, manually import numbers or upload an Excel file. Explore 5 different message templates, with options like key markers and random settings. There's also an attachment panel for multimedia files and captions. Below the message template is the poll feature, useful for data collection through voting. Under the polls feature there is a delay settings acting as an anti-ban technology. You have control over delay settings according to your requirements. Second menu is Group Center. Similar to the Contact Center, this feature allows you to send bulk messages to groups. The interface is the same as the single center. Third menu is Tools. Inside this menu there are 17 useful features. At top right there is Zoom In Out button. You can adjust as per your requirement. Get Group Member. Effortlessly extract members from groups by simply joining and utilizing this feature. Grab WhatsApp group links. Streamline your group link collection process by searching for specific categories on Google. Open any page, and this feature will grab all group links available. WhatsApp Autoresponder Bot. Elevate your response game with the Autoresponder Bot. Craft intelligent responses based on customer queries, making your interactions more efficient. Contact List Grabber. Utilize the Contact List Grabber to effortlessly gather all WhatsApp numbers and associated names from your contact list. Google Map Data Extractor. Harness the power of location-based data extraction on Google Maps. This feature enables you to search for specific topics and extract comprehensive data from the search results. Auto Group Joiner. Save time by automating the process of joining multiple groups, catering to specific niches or random interests. WhatsApp Number Filter. Simplify and streamline your work by quickly filtering through thousands of numbers, identifying those linked to WhatsApp. Grab Active Group Members. Identify and compile a list of active group members swiftly, ensuring you engage with an attentive audience. Grab Chat List. Effortlessly obtain unsaved numbers from your WhatsApp chat list using the Grab Chat List feature. Bulk Add Group Members. Boost your group's activity by adding interested members from other groups. Note that adding members without consent is not advised due to WhatsApp policy. Group Finder. Directly search for groups on WhatsApp by inputting any topic. Filter the results post-export for a refined experience. Bulk Group Generator. Need to create multiple groups quickly? Utilize this feature for efficient group creation. Google Contact CSV Generator. Organize your WhatsApp numbers seamlessly for Google Contacts with a specific format generated by this feature. Website Email Mobile Extractor. Unlock the potential of extracting public email and mobile numbers from websites. Note that login-related pages will not yield results. WhatsApp Warmer. Initiate the warming process for newly created WhatsApp accounts, ensuring each number sends messages to others randomly over time. This feature proves invaluable for maintaining anti-ban measures. Get poll results. After conducting polls, use this feature to collect comprehensive reports on the voting outcomes from your targeted numbers. Social Media Data Extractor. Efficiently gather email IDs and mobile numbers from various social media platforms based on location and specific search queries. This feature is a powerful tool for acquiring accurate data from social media sources. That concludes our quick review of WSender 3.2.0 and its features. I hope this video helps you understand the software better. For any kind of resell and rebranding opportunity, just contact me via WhatsApp through website. Thank you for watching, and good luck.